So today we're gonna show you our white pigment. We're gonna make a oil-based stain and a solvent-based stain. So we have this piece of white oak, which we sand it to 240. So we're gonna show you a transparent type of stain and a very rich stain, which will be with a solvent-based. So we're gonna leave also this here without stain to see the difference. So I'm gonna start showing you how I'm gonna mix my pigment and oil. And for the solvent-based stain, we're gonna have oil, and solvent, and pigment. I'm gonna start with the oil-based stain, which will be titanium white and Super Duper Oil. I'm gonna mix very well the oil. Okay. I'm starting with a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add some pigment, a teaspoon in this case, and I'm going to mix very well. Okay. And I'm going to prepare now the safer solvent-based stain, which this will gonna give you a rich stain, or if you want to leave it transparent, you can do that as well. And it's very important for a rich stain, the ratio. And the ratio is 2 of the solvent, 1 of the oil, and 2 or 3 of the pigment. And for a ratio, you can use a tablespoon, for instance. So it will be 2 tablespoons of solvent, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 3 tablespoons of the pigment. So I'm gonna follow this ratio here in this jar. So it will be 2 of the solvent, 1, 2, and then 1 of the oil, okay, I'm wiped out a little bit this one, and 2, 3 of the pigment. I'll put 2 or 2.5. I'm gonna stir very well. Very, very creamy white. So the safer solvent-based stain, I'm gonna leave it here aside, and I'm gonna start with the oil-based stain. I'm going to take my board here, and you apply as per oil, just working very well in the surface. Okay. Now I'm going to the solvent-based stain. Okay, could already notice that here it's much richer than over here. And longer you allow to sit the stain, you're gonna get a better color saturation. So in this case, you're gonna wipe off very quick, like in 5 minutes. However, if you want a richer stain, you can allow to sit longer, so you're gonna get a richer stain, like I said. However, we always recommend to run some test pieces always. So yeah, let's wipe off now. We're gonna wipe off with a clean cotton terry towel. Okay. Okay, that's beautiful. Oops. Stain that. However, you can see here you've got more like a cheruse, and here a white overlook on all the piece and a little bit of cheruse. So this is what will get you the safer solvent-based stain.